Are you struggling with exporting high-resolution images in OpenLayers? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common issue that many developers face when working with different versions of OpenLayers. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when you think you've got everything set up perfectly, only to find that a simple DPI setting can throw everything off. You're definitely not the only one dealing with this. Here's the situation we're looking at. A user created two identical fiddles with different OpenLayers versions. They noticed that when changing the DPI setting to 125%, the text in the newer version doesn't update correctly. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what's happening here? It seems that the newer version of OpenLayers isn't handling the DPI scaling as expected, especially when it comes to text placement and size. This can lead to frustrating results when exporting images. And stick around. I have a workaround that might just save your day, so you won't want to miss it. To address the issue with text scaling in OpenLayers 4.1.1, the user should first ensure that the map is properly initialized with the correct DPI settings. This can be done by checking the configuration options. Next, the user should implement a listener for the pre-compose event. This listener will allow the user to adjust the canvas size before the map is rendered. After setting up the listener, the user should call the update size method within the pre-compose event. This ensures that the map updates its size correctly before rendering. Finally, the user should test the implementation by changing the DPI settings in Windows. They should verify that the text scales correctly and is positioned accurately on the map. Fun fact, did you know that the concept of DPI, or dots per inch, originated from the printing industry? It's fascinating how this term has made its way into digital graphics. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution involves creating a second OpenLayers map with a specified pixel ratio. This method allows for exporting high-resolution PNGs even when the DPI setting is increased. The user sets up a new map component, adjusts its size, and utilizes a promise to ensure that rendering is complete before saving the image. Here's a quick tip. Always test your exports at different DPI settings during development. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these tips, you should be able to tackle the DPI issues in OpenLayers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tricks.